there, welcome to Wim's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen and I am your girl Norleen with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another authentic Jamaican cuisine.
So family and friends, this one is relatively new to me. I don't know if you like me and it new, but we are trying a thing in the kitchen. Turn your hand and make fashion, and that's exactly what I am going to do. A goat meat. So I've gotten three large slices of goat leg. It's the steak of the goat leg, and I wash it in vinegar and season it with salt and pepper. And I'm gonna allow this to marinate for overnight. Now, guys, this promises to be epic, so stay with me right to the end of this video.
If you're new to my channel, please press that subscribe button. Remember to turn on your post notification so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna start by charring the steak because we know that we want maximum flavor on our meat. So I have 3 tablespoons of butter, some sprig of thyme, of course garlic and ginger, and I am going to add to that the steak. Now, guys, make sure that butter gets that frothy look and the temperature is high so we can get that char. It's not quite to where I want it as yet, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna keep on turning it until I get both sides charred. Now, guys, I'm trying to get the meat evenly done, so I continue to flip it on both sides. And remember, give me some thumbs up and let me know you're enjoying my video. Next, guys, I will transfer it to my skillet. I will add all the content into a buttery sauce. Add to that some pimento leaves, some scallion, and some onion, and about half a cup of water, just enough to cover the bottom of the skillet, guys, not a lot. And I'll set my skillet on 375 degrees and allow it to slow cook. Now, guys, remember to share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Now, guys, after about 30 minutes, this is what I have. It looks perfectly colored. It's not quite done yet, people, but it smells so inviting. Now, guys, I will share with you the food for thought, borrowed from dailyverses.net, and it comes to us from James 1 verse 17, and it says, every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of the heavenly lights, who does not change like shifting shadows. Praise be to God. Now, guys, I've tested the meat and it is not quite ready, so I've added about 3/4 cups of water and covered to cook for an additional 30 minutes.
If you're celebrating a birthday or any other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen.
All right, guys, it's time to nice up the pot. So I'm adding to that, after about 20 minutes, my chopped vegetables. I'm talking about my carrot, my okra, my bell pepper, my tomatoes, guys. And of course, I'm going to add to that some fresh onions. I'm going to add to that some powdered seasoning, some all-purpose, some basil, some parsley, guys. Of course, some black pepper and some steak seasoning. And I'm just stirring this and allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. Now, guys, like me, I know you can't wait to dig in. I've tasted it, guys, and it is all good. Now, people, look at the sauce, look at the meat, look at the seasoning. People, see it after 5 minutes. Yo, the thing ready. Guys, it smells awesome.
Give me some thumbs up and let me know that you're enjoying my channel. Leave your comment in the comment section. Leave your thoughts about this video or suggest any other Jamaican meals that you'd like to see me prepare.
So this now, guys, done. See there, it finished. I've turned off the pot, guys, and look at this. I am plating it. I'm just gonna add to this a side of steamed veggies, people. Boy, This smells awesome. It's another of my favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table.
Thank you for coming along with me in the kitchen where I did for you cooking Jamaican foods Jamaican style.